Three-time Olympian diver Yona Knight-Wisdom is set to take the hosting of his diving clinics to the next level in Jamaica. This as he continues the search to unearth more young Jamaican divers for future Olympic Games. Daniel McLeod reports.
Yona Knight-Wisdom, Jamaica's standard bearer in Olympic diving for close to a decade, says the diving clinic program, which began in 2023 with the aim of developing other world-class divers, was always meant to blossom into something more.
This time round, I don't want it to just be a one-off and when people finish, they don't try the sport again. I want to make sure that it can continue and develop and progress over a longer period of time. Actually creating a diving program.
With the help of an international level coach, Knight-Wisdom, a Pan American Games silver medalist in the 1 meter springboard event, is aiming to form a club dedicated to unlocking the next generation of divers.
Last year I created my organization, Bedrock Sports Initiative, the goal of that to be the vehicle to deliver diving. This year we were able to ratify a committee with the ASAJ, a diving committee. So I'm using the two things now to really start to drive the initiative. Over the long term, I've got the support of Anastasia Chin, who's going to coach the program. She's internationally qualified and she'll be upgrading the qualification this summer as well. And she'll help to lead the program on the island after I leave.
The initiative is set to dive off at the National Aquatic Center with a completely free talent identification trial week. The search is focused on boys and girls aged 8 to 14 years old. Participants must know how to swim confidently in deep water without assistance. At the conclusion of the trial week, the top selected athletes will receive a formal offer to join the new club at a heavily subsidized rate for their first 6 months of training. The clinic will run from September 7 to September 11. Daniel McLeod reporting for TVJ Sports.